Well, hey there. Welcome back, design homies. So we're on day 4 of our text-based app for Sharpen, and it's going all right. It's definitely going okay. Today our plan is to split up and make like 3 to 5 different frames for each one of these. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Maybe. That's a lot of frames. It's a lot of frames. That's a lot of frames. But what we want to do is also change. Were there 2 there? Is that what my problem was? Okay. Okay. That's funny as shit. Okay, we figured it out. There was a duplicate that was rigged weird. Makes sense, I guess. Don't really want them that far apart, I don't think. Maybe I do. Alright, then we grab all of marketing. Bring that down here. And then we'll grab all of branding and move it over here. Okay, now we need to open Sharpen, which I think I already have a tab open, I think. Where'd my shit go? There we go. So let's see here. We're in branding right now. I don't want to be in branding. I want to be in products. Be in digital products. And here we go. So we've got this one. Drag it down. That's fine. Is 5 too much? No. Design a watch OS UI kit for an agricultural startup. Okay, new challenge. Design a screenless product for a gardener in Aruba. Design a new product for a toy robot. I love the idea of going back and forth with the robot, and the robot being like, I like where you're headed, but try it again with this font, like Roboto Slab. And you're like, oh, great idea, great idea. And then you come back to the robot with different iterations, and he's like, it's better. But we're not quite there yet. We're better. Okay, design a blog theme for a news station. I wonder if I need to change create on the first one. A blog theme for a news station. Oh, so close. And the is actually capitalized. For a news station in the Bahamas. Okay. So then let's do one more for that one, and I'll change this one. Design. A developer tool. For a remote controlled car. Cool. Okay. Do we have a star tool in here? Yeah, hell yeah. I'm gonna do this and make it, what is that? 42 by 42? Want that star to be a little bit beefier. There we go. So let's come down here with it. I want it to be like, where do I want it to be? I want it to be right there. I want it to be on the other side. Would I like it to be between those? Just under. If I do just under, I need to like put it in the same auto layout container. Maybe we put it above. Is that where we want it? I think that's good. $32 and $32. I feel like that's pretty nice. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this. Up. And then star 1, that's fine. Create a variant. This is gonna be clicked, or no, hover, and then click. So regularly we want it to be like 50%. And hover, we have that, that's good. Maybe we even go like 25, 30%. And then, yeah, that's good. And then this color, we want it to be maybe a gold. That looks good to me. Okay. Maybe we change this to 90. Okay, so then prototype, we'll say on hover, instant, yep, and then change to, I'm sorry, on tap, that's what we want, smart animate, ease in and out, and on click back, yep, okay, cool. So now we'll take this, Control C this guy. Yep. Okay. So we've got that one. Now we need to drag this one down 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that one already has the stars on it, so that's good. This is physical products, right? Yeah. So we're gonna switch to that. And I'm not gonna do the third drop down side for these guys. Let's see here. Design a branded bookmark for a mystery writer. Bless you, bud. And try a colorful style. I'm not gonna go that far. You know what? I didn't even need to do the first one. It's okay. Makes it more accurate. Design a kiosk app for a gym in Kenya. Alright, new challenge. Just realized I can't have my chat up at the same time. Let's see here. Maybe I can. There we go, that'll work. Create a gift. A handmade gift. Create. This one says create. Oh, wow. A handmade gift for a pizza company. A pizza shop in NYC. My NYC homie's coming to hang out today. Pretty excited. Alright, new challenge. Design a 3D printed gift for your nearest school. Oh, damn, that one's already in place. Hell yeah, look at that. Alright, new challenge. Design a 3D printed tool for an art gallery. New challenge. Design a low-tech utility. Utility for a travel blogger. Vlogger, not blogger. My bad, my bad, my bad. Travel vlogger. Alright, and that's it for physical. There's 5 of those. Okay, these are experimental. Let's get over there. Some new challenge. Design a chatbot for a children's hospital. A chatbot for a children's hospital. New challenge. Design. This one's gonna be too long, I'm afraid. A projection mapped UI. Projection mapped UI. Oh my god, it fits! For a hotel in Germany. Cool. New challenge. Alright, this is another watch UI kit, but it's not right next to another one, so that's fine. Design a watch OS UI kit. For Snap Inc. Not really sure what Snap is. Design a map interface for a tailor. Tailors need a lot of maps. But if anybody needs a map, got a pretty good map design in Figma. If I do say so myself. Proud enough of it. Design a mixed reality UI. That's cool. I would love to get into VR UI. I think that would be really fun. I think Borderlands had a really cool UI for a video game back in the day, and it looked really VR-y. Like, if you had a headset on, it would be considered VR. It was really cool. For the Guggenheim. Awesome. Awesome. For the Guggenheim, try 3D styling. We're not going to add the third challenge on there. So we have 5 of those. Now we're on to marketing. So third done already. That's not taking too long. We've done a couple of things. Well, I say a couple. We've done already one thing. I didn't really point out that was on our agenda today, but these stars. I definitely want those stars. Let me see if they even work. Design a developer tool. Okay, yeah. I should make that hover or a shadow. I should drop a shadow on there. Boom, done. And then that looks like that. Does have a drop shadow. Where'd my drop shadow? I don't see it. Alright, maybe if I close it and reopen it. It definitely has drop shadow. Let's see. Does it have drop shadow now, though? can't tell. I don't think it does. If it does, it is so slight. I'm not sure why it's... Oh, did I put it on the wrong thing? Maybe I put it on the wrong thing. Drop shadow. 4 and 4, that's probably fine. Let's try this again. I didn't actually put it on the star, I put it on the star group. There we go, there we go. That looks really good. That looks really good. So that one's favorited. Cool. I like that. Okay, now we're back over to marketing, I do believe, right? Digital products and marketing. So, switch our tab over here. New challenge. Design a receipt. A receipt. For a pizza shop in Brazil. Shoutouts to Dornellis. What's up, Manaus? For a pizza shop in Brazil. Which, I've seen some pizzas in Brazil, and I gotta say, I don't think Brazil is gonna be the new pizza capital of the world. They have amazing food. Pizza just isn't their thing, you know? It's just, I'm sure there's some pretty good, pretty exceptional pizza in Brazil. But Brazil, like, goes above and beyond with food. And they're like, if we're gonna make a food, we're gonna make a food that looks so crazy that nobody wants to eat it. I have a Brazilian buddy that is always sending me, like, food-related YouTube videos of Brazil, and it's always like the world's most massive breakfast sandwich or something. It takes like 10 or 15 minutes, and the whole thing, they're just like filming the grill as this guy is just melting cheese and folding cheese and melting it and then folding it. He makes like waffles out of cheese and then he puts it on. I don't know, man. There's like enough condiments to sink a navy. It's crazy. But then they hand it off to somebody and they're like, what do you think? And the guy's just like got it all over his face and he's like, oh yeah, yeah, best food. Oh, you guys did it. I love Brazil. I want to go there so bad. Design a lower thirds lockup. What is that? That sounds badass. So that's above the fold, lower thirds. I get that. What is a lockup though? A lower thirds lockup. I don't know what that is. That sounds really cool. I'm gonna have to look that up later. I'm gonna have to lock that up later. Create a billboard. For a zoo in Norway. Alright. Next challenge. Oh shit. Oh, I guess it's fine. I'm not doing digital necessarily. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Create an animated typeface. Fun. How do you do that? Animated typeface for a diving school. Typographers unite! I don't even know how you make an animated typeface, unless they're just talking about like using this and then just kind of animating it so that, I bet that's what they're talking about. That's still gonna be difficult and almost impossible in Figma without just spending your entire life doing it. It'd probably be easier in an Adobe program. Create an accessibility guide for a startup in Jamaica. Alright, cool. Accessibility guide, Jamaica. Done. Got it. Yeah. And have I been testing these to make sure that these actually drop correctly? They do. Alright, we're good. So now we're on to physical products. You grab these and then drag it down a few times. 1, a 2, a 3, and 4. So now we're going to physical marketing products. Make sure I have that highlighted, which I didn't on the last one, but it's okay. Design a branded gift bag. A branded gift bag for charity. Water. Okay. I've never seen anything like that, but that's good. Design a branded keychain. For your nearest school. Okay. Okay. I love it. Design a branded mug. Why is... I guess this is fine. It's all... This isn't even... Okay, no, that makes sense. I was like, branding. Why isn't this in branding instead of marketing? Because everything is like, design a branded, but it's a product. I get it, I get it, I get it. Design, oh, I need to get that one first. Design a branded mug. Branded mug for a pizza shop in Norway? Okay. So, if you play around with Sharpen.design long enough, like we've been doing it for like a month and a half, just like every week, refreshing until we get something that we're like, oh yeah, this stream, that would be good. That would be good for the stream. You'll notice a lot of them just start recycling and refreshing, and you'll get a lot of them. Like we've had a few that are for your nearest school, and that's just us refreshing and getting a completely random thing. So there's not like an infinite amount of different prompts that you'll do on Sharpen, but they have enough to where you get a lot of variety in your work if you're trying to. But yeah, we keep running into like pizza shop or your nearest school, which is okay. No problem there. A branded gift bag, we already did that. For a theater troupe. Create a postcard, I like that. For a pizza shop in Japan. But one thing you can do on Sharpen, I guess to finish my point there, is if you like to create a postcard, you can click that lock and then new challenge, and create a postcard will stay there. And then you're only creating the second row. Or if you like the pizza shop part of it, you can lock that one, leave this one unlocked, and refresh just the top one, which is really cool. Like I like that a lot. I've had to do that a few times, so really neat. I like that they give you that option. Create an art poster. For a cryptocurrency exchange. Man, speaking of cryptocurrency exchanges, if like 3/4 of the jobs on Upwork right now aren't like we need work done for our cryptocurrency website and token. Like everybody is trying to get UI done for that shit. It's really funny. I don't think I have the balls to go for a cryptocurrency thing. I feel like I I mean, I understand cryptocurrency to a degree. Like, I wouldn't call myself an aficionado or anything of crypto. I have the smallest portfolio, but I feel like it's so trendy and cutting edge that I don't feel confident being like, this is what I think you should use for your cryptocurrency. I just don't have that kind of confidence yet. Maybe someday I'll be responding to those cryptocurrency dudes and be like, yeah, I can make something that really like sings. But right now I'm just not into it. I don't have that confidence. If somebody's like, yo, I need a website or like 1,000 wireframes for this website so that I can decide which direction I want to head, like, that's me. I do that all day long. One of my freelance things was like, hey, we have this really, really bad part of our website, and we just want to gather up a bunch of ideas for how we could change it. I was like, for real? They were like, yeah, just go wild. And I just spent like hours being like, what if we tried circles instead of squares? Like, just trying all the weirdest things I could think of, because in my mind, nothing could be worse than what they already had. So I was like, I'll do wacky things, I'll do normal things, whatever you want. And it ended up being pretty fun for me. I really enjoyed it. Dude, we get to design a Cristiano Ronaldo calendar? That's awesome. A branded calendar for Cristiano Ronaldo. Hell yeah. That one we're saving. That one's going in our prompt. In our personal folder. So, next, design a deck of cards for the FBI. Awesome. Design a deck of cards. What would that look like? It's like flashcards, and it's like, does suspect have this? And you're like, go fish. It's like criminal bingo or something like that, except for you have like tangible cards and you're trading those cards with other officers. That's my idea. Let's do it. Let's design it. A promotional coupon for Xbox. Oh shit! And do not move that. Did I move that too much still? Okay, no, we're good. Design. Trying to make sure I get this correct. Okay, there we go. A promotional coupon for Xbox. Neat. That could be fun. Create a Super Bowl ad for Visa. And that's it. For Visa. Everywhere you want to be. Cool. That's that one. Now we only have these left. Look at us go. Look at us go. I could duplicate all of them at the same time, and I thought about it, but I would prefer do it one at a time so that I can keep up with where I am. Now we're on branding. Now we're on product branding. Hell yeah, design a team logo for a hospital. Team on 3. Design team logo for a hospital in Boston. El Hospital in Boston. Okay. Design an enamel pin. Or an animal shelter. Aww. Okay. Design a team logo. We already did that one. Let's see here. I'll lock that. There we go. Create a 6-second ad. A luxury pet food brands. Nice, I like that one. Create a logo design kit. For Frank Sinatra. Oh, I can't wait to see his face. And then lastly, design an invoice for a cheesemaker. Design an invoice for a cheesemaker. And it's not even a cheesemaker in Berlin, it's just a cheesemaker. That's crazy. So we've got all those now. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is for organizations. Hey, this is cool. Design an event booth for Jurassic Park. Design a promotional gift. Oh. For a nightclub in Rome. Hello. That's cool. Create a subtle advertisement. Or a brass band. Okay, cool. Design a product email for Sequoia Capital. Done. Design a team logo for a coffee shop in Brussels. I'm gonna lock for a coffee shop. Design a minimalist display ad. For a coffee shop in Bruges. No, it's in Brussels. Okay. And then lastly, Systems and kits. Design 6 icons. Or a copy shot and oh, I locked that. Okay, let's see here. From music school. Cool. Now unlock that, refresh, design 2 button styles. For my hometown. Or your hometown. Your hometown. Next, create an accessible web UI kit. For a startup. In San Francisco. Then next, design a brand guide for a hotel in St. Lucia. Oh, I need to a brand guide. Create a brand guide. Actually design a brand guide for a hotel in St. Lucia. Lucia? I've never been there. If you've been there or you're from there, leave me a comment in YouTube or on YouTube and spell it phonetically so I can say that right. Last one. Is this what I want to do? I guess. Create a mobile UI kit for a law firm in Jamaica. Cool. Okay, so then we have like 45 different frames now? We got like 45 different frames. Okay, so what we need to do is grab, I think just these. Paste here. And then, is that what I want to do? So if I click digital, I want it to come here. If I click physical, I want it to come over there. Let's see. Is that what I want to do? Maybe. Prototype. So digital products. I want to come up here. On tap, navigate to. Actually, yeah, that's fine. Smart animate. I think I want it to dissolve. physical products over here. Dissolve, yep. And then experimental products going over here. Experimental. And on tap there. Yep. Yep. So did we already have, I swear we already had like a maybe we don't. Maybe that's not actually a a component. Interesting. Okay. That's fine. So now we'll take this, Control C, and then we will replace, place, 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 replace. Okay, so that is all done. We have experimental, physical, and digital on the UX side all programmed. So now, what I want to do, why is new challenge geared to something? That's not what I want. So new challenge, I want to go down here. On tap, dissolve, yes. New challenge to there. New challenge to there. And new challenge up to there. And then this one goes down. Yep, nice. Okay. So then same thing here. I do not want that going there. I want that there. That there. That there. That there. And then this one up here. This one not have? Huh. Interesting. On tap, dissolve, that's what we want. Dissolve. Dissolve. Why don't these have interactions though? That's weird. Here we go. So now we have this shit mapped out. Let's see what happens. At least UX should work. UX should be good. If we do new challenge, what we didn't do was change all of the colors, so we still need to do that real fast. Maybe we can do that before we're done today. So you can do all that. This works. You can favorite that one. You can lock that if you want. It doesn't actually keep it from. Oh, I didn't turn that off. Need to fix that. Let's see. Where's my lock? Up to there on tap. What are the other ones? Instant? Instant. Instant's fine. Now we can turn it off. Okay, so then if I go to physical products, the color changes. If I go to experimental, that shit changes. But, oh shit. Huh. Okay. I've done a bad. Damn, dude. Okay, so I kind of scuffed that a little bit. This is gonna be physical products. God damn it. Control U, this is bold. And then regular. And then this one is regular. And experimental is bold. And underlined. So, do we still have... Okay, we do. Let's see if that works. Go in here. Oh, shit. Let's try this one now. This one's... Whoa, where are you going? Regular. And this one's physical. Did I do this at the top already? I don't even remember. This is gonna be bold. And then underlined. Okay, now, if we do this, physical products, digital products, experimental products, physical, digital, marketing, physical marketing events, okay, products and UX. What? Fuck? Why doesn't that one work? That's weird. I'll figure that out later. Or now. So if we have products. Interesting, okay. Products and UX can come over here to the digital. Untap, navigate to dissolve. These in and out, 300, yeah. And then this one also. Come on. Just that button, there we go, products and UX. And then over here. Dope. That should be everything. Now, let's go through here. Click this one. We need color change. We're gonna go up here. Grab all these colors probably and bring them down here. So on this one, color change. Design, we're gonna go and grab like that. And then, actually, that's fine. Digital, color change. That one might be a little bit dark. That's okay though. For our purposes, it'll be fine. Now we'll go up to this one. color change. And maybe go to that. Physical, color change, color, dropper, and then that. All right, we're getting there. Experimental color change. Where's it at? Get that dropper, come over here, maybe make that one that one. Color change again. That dropper. That looks good. And then last one over here for UX. Let's go. Color change. Grab that and then make it blue. So now we have a third of our stuff done. And we did a lot today. We did, man, in 1 hour, we made like 36 something frames, customized the frames, we added stars, we fixed prototyping. Like we were wizards today, and that's kind of more along the lines of how I want the pacing for this to go. I don't want to do this for like 3 hours a day where it's just like there's a lot of nothing happening, a lot of me trying things that aren't going to be involved. I don't think that's as helpful for everybody. Like it is for me in that I get to ideate a lot, but you know, in terms of digestible content, I don't think that that's the way to go. So I'd like to keep it as concise as we were today. We got so much done. We stayed on topic, knocked out all of our things. Let's check out our prototype before we head out for the day. And keep in mind the only things that, like when we hit new challenge, it will only work as we intended under products and UX right now. But if I switch to physical products, like we're gonna get the physical prompts, and these change depending on which one you're on. Design a chatbot for a children's hospital. This is awesome. This is really cool. I'm really proud of that. Then we can go over to branding, same thing. Oh god, I don't know what that is. Branding's broken. Whoa, hold on. Okay, this is kind of... Oh, I guess this makes sense. This makes sense. I was like, why is this happening? We haven't set this up, but it's just changing up here, and that was because our first prototype, we just made one screen for each category. So these are still rigged together from that. So that makes sense. It's like, why is this changing? We went above and beyond. But no, we didn't. This is it. This is where we're at right now. This is a text-based app for Sharpen.design. And honestly, their whole app is already text-based. So all we are really doing on our end in Figma is creating a mobile version of the same web app. Which you can go to the web app on mobile. Like, this isn't really... I don't know what the point of me doing all of this is other than trying some cool things. Like, it's gonna be an interesting prototype when everything is said and done. So that's kind of cool. The see-through buttons, I'm in love with. I think that's so cool. I've never tried anything like that, so this project let me try that, and it's classy. I really love that. That background text just shoots through, or that background color anyways. I think that's really awesome, and I mean, that wasn't my design. I just recreated it, and that's how their stuff is. I think it looks super sharp, so well done to Sharpen.design for that button style. Anyways, I think it's really cool. So that's it for us today. Tomorrow, when we come back, tomorrow's Friday, it's gonna be the last day of our project. We already have all of our text set up for all of this, so I need to change the colors. We need to go through and change all of the colors for the extra ones. We need to fix this so that it scrolls correctly, and I think I might do it a different way than we did last time, just to make it go a little bit quicker maybe. And then other than that, we need to make one more frame for our profile if we can get to it. And that might be something we want to get to over the weekend. I'm not really sure, but we need to, like, when you click on this, have like maybe a drop down or a thing that appears on the side where you can see like my prompts, saved prompts or something. And then anything that we've clicked will just be a pre-made template in here, but it will show us, you know, a fistful of design prompts in there that we can check off. So I think that's what we'll go for. And yeah, tomorrow should be good. I wasn't expecting to get all of this done today, so tomorrow's looking good. Just have to do that a couple more times, and then yeah, if we get to the profile page, awesome. If we don't, that's all right, I guess, but this is looking great. I'm pretty proud of this so far. So thank you guys for hanging out and going on this ride with me. If you're enjoying the content, drop a follow. It would be really cool to talk to you in real time. We are on Twitch and YouTube, so if you miss a video, you can find the VOD on YouTube. What else? Yeah, you could leave comments. Tell me things that you're working on or things that you would like to see, like project styles, or like if you want to see me make icons, which I've never done, like we could do that. So always out for feedback, and I will see you guys tomorrow when we start to wrap up this project. All right. Thanks again. Have a great rest of your Thursday. I'll see you soon.